Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to pay with Revolut on phone. So let's get into the video. So if you want to pay with Revolut, so what you have to do is you just have to add your Revolut card details on your wallet so that you can do the payments using your wallet. So where do you get the so how do you do that? So what are you going to do? You're going to open up your wallet. So open up your wallet, and then once you open up your wallet, so go to menu. All right, okay, and then all you have to do is just add your cards. So I'm going to go to my card section, and then I'm going to add my cards here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my card details. So card details of my Revolut card. So go to your Revolut card. So to get the details of your Revolut card, you can just go to your Revolut application. Okay, open up your Revolut application, and then once you've like logged into your Revolut onto your Revolut account, so my screen might black out due to security and privacy reasons because I'm screen recording it. So just go to cards tab and then click on the card, and you will see all the card name, card details, and all the card details there. So you can use that, and then straight away just plug those details here and then add it to your wallet. So once you have added to your wallet, then you can simply tap and make payments using your Revolut cards. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.